Hi, welcome back to another video. So today I just really wanted to talk about finding your art style. So whilst I do talk about that, I'm just going to share the process of me drawing this cute little fairy girl. So I hope you enjoy watching, or you can just put this on in the background whilst you do drawing or cleaning or whatever. So hopefully you'll enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, then my name's Carly. I'm a self-taught artist, I run my Etsy shop, and I do the occasional commissions like portraits and children's books. If you're wondering, the app I'm using to draw on is Procreate, and this is the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. So first of all, what is an art style? This can include lots of different things like the way you draw your lines, the medium that you use, your subject matter, the colours, and it also comes through life experiences and inspirations and things like that. So this all makes up an art style. So over the past few years, I've definitely had a journey with the art style topic, and I've let it become an issue at points where I've just over obsessed with finding my style, and I waste like a whole day just thinking about it and then not getting on with the actual drawings or getting on with stuff that I need to do, and because it just overtakes my mind and I don't know why. And I think a lot of artists, especially when you're beginning, do struggle with finding your art style, and we do waste a lot of time like thinking about it. Let me know if you're like this or if you have been like this in the past. But over the years I've definitely realised that it's just not important to worry about at all, and most of the time you have a style showing through and you just don't realise it. Like, I remember in the past people would comment on my drawings and say that they really liked my style, and I was just like, oh, do I have a style? Because obviously at that point I was always thinking about, like, I need to find a style, do I have a style yet? And then people were already pointing it out without me even realising I had it. So you just need to like take a step back and then look at your art, and if you look back at your artwork, you might even realise there's a certain thing that you repeat a lot of, and that actually can make up your art style, and something that you really enjoy drawing, or certain colours that you really like to use. But I actually found a book that I'm going to recommend you from an artist called Lisa Congen. She's actually one of the first artists I found when I started my journey, and so I've always looked up to her and I've taken her classes in the past. So she has this book called Find Your Artistic Voice, and since I read that, it really opens up my eyes into like what actually art style is and how to see it in a different way, and it just took so much stress away from my mind on thinking about this topic. So I'll leave a link below for the book. I wasn't asked to share this link or anything, by the way. I just really love this book, and I'll also leave a blog post of mine below where I share 5 books to help you grow an art business, which I really recommend, so you can check that out as well if you like. So now I don't focus on just how my artwork looks in the way of style. Obviously those elements do make it up, but I see it more as in how it comes across to people, how it makes them feel, and sharing like life experiences, your beliefs and your values through your artwork, so that people get a feeling when they look at your artwork and they can resonate with it in ways, and that kind of brings through a style. It's kind of like your unique personality as well coming through into your artwork, which makes it your own. Like, I get inspired a lot by the beach, so then that comes through in a lot of my art pieces. So in a whole, if you look at my art, like, it kind of has that vibe, I guess, that beachy vibe, and I tend to choose colours that are quite beachy because that's what I'm really interested in, and I have experiences by going to the beach a lot, and when I go out on these experiences and explore stuff, then that comes through into my art. So I hope that makes sense. So just quickly, I'll share a few things that you could do to kind of help speed up finding your style if you are interested. First thing is practice drawing every day if you can, even if it's just for like 20 minutes. Because the more that you draw, the more you're going to be trying new things and practicing, so you're finding out like what you enjoy the most, what you like to draw. And so over time of drawing a lot of things, you will start to see what repeats a lot and what you always end up getting drawn to the most. And so these are the type of things that will make up your art style. Another thing is you can choose a bunch of artists that you like and figure out what it is that you like about each of their work. So maybe it's like the way an artist does their line work, or another artist you like their colour palettes that they use. Another one you might like the way they do their eyelashes. So pick out these things and then start applying them into your own artwork and just see what sticks with you and see how you like it. I've tried things before in the past and I liked, like say, a line work from one artist, and I thought, okay, I'm going to try that because I really like the way she does her lines. As soon as I tried it, it just didn't stick, and I realised even though I really loved looking at it on her artwork, it just didn't resonate with me when I did it, and it just didn't stick. So I realised then that that just wasn't something that I like to do. And so that's when you realise you just have to practice and try a lot of new things for it to really like stick, and like so you realise what it is you like. And so yeah, another thing is just explore different mediums, different subject matters. Don't just box yourself into one thing. Explore different things, because you'll never know if that's something that you really like. And yeah, like I said, try drawing different ways, try different brushes that you haven't used before. Something might just stand out to you and it might be the thing that you just love to use all the time. And yeah, but don't forget that art style doesn't just stick. Like, don't think, oh, I found my art style, that's it, woohoo. Like, it's always going to change, and as you get older, you have new life experiences, you have new interests, and your art style and the way you like to draw will change over time. So don't worry about it changing. That's natural, and it has to change for you to grow as an artist as well. So yeah, just don't let yourself get too caught up on this topic. I really hope this video has inspired you a little bit, and if you want even more motivation, then check out Lisa's book. And yeah, just stick to what you love, and remember that your style won't always be obvious to you, but it will be obvious to other people. So just keep going, just focus on improving your artwork and having fun with it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, let me know, and I'll see you all in another one very soon. Check out all my links below the video if you want to see more from me on my other social media, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.